Volume dots are a thing inside of the First Light Beacon. We come to some settings here, and this is what I have mine set to 1000. How many bars back it goes? 50, and then 3 for my extreme show only dots extreme threshold. This goes 1 to 4, and that will it's kind of like the sensitivity of what the extreme needs to be. And then the deviation is what's the volume deviation of the last 50 for it to even pop up with something. And when it shows an extreme dot, we can have it set so it shows you the actual volume that's in there. If you turn this off, you're going to see all of the volume dots that are printing. Do that like that, and then it will only put in the lettering inside of the actual extreme ones. Okay. And what is the benefit of this? Well, you're getting cell volume, cell volume, cell volume all the way down into this end cap, right? You're even getting extreme volume right here, and price does not go down, it goes up. And then Beacon comes out, and we're getting massive amounts of buy volume as that's coming out of the end cap. Well, that is just giving you an extra layer of confirmation that you can go ahead and get into that trade, put your stop under the end cap, and go for the 2 to 1 or whatever it is that you're going to go for. Here's the trade that we took today in the Hunters Club. Well, and this was the entry right around in here. And we had all the sell volume coming down. We're not pushing through the zone. We're actually coming up, and we're getting extreme buy volume. So our rejection is confirmed, and we're going to get into the trade. And then we rode it all the way up to 69.10 up here. Well, we took TP1 at 6,900, half position, and then 69.10 is where we took the other half of the position. And then here is what's going on. Well, this is 4 o'clock, so our volume's dying out, so it's not going to have extremes, but we did get some extreme right here on the 350 algo. No, I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm thinking. That's 430 at 430, and that's after a 45-minute zone forms. So this is going to help you determine if you should get into trades or not. And you're also going to be able to use it for rejections of zones. So say you cross through a zone and you come down, look at this candle wick, and then all of a sudden you have a ton of buy volume. Well, there's you a scalp, a really nice scalp right here. Boom. There you go. And there's you a scalp on ES, and this will also work on NQ or anything else you want to use it for. And it's continuation, volume, continuation, volume. And then we finally flip over to bearish volume. And this is already live. If you have any questions, let me know.